Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
This Kapuso star has always loved acting and looks forward to do roles that will capture the heart of viewers. At ngayong gagampanan niya ang isa sa importanteng role sa Nagbabagang Luha na malapit nang mapanood sa GMA Afternoon Prime. Mga Kapuso, for today's Biztalk, to talk about her role bilang si Cielo, please welcome Kapuso sweetheart, Claire Castro. Masantos niya kabasan, Claire, and welcome back to Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Hello, good morning. Thanks for having me back po dito sa Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Naku,
And
maraming...
hello po sa mga viewers sa North Central Luzon.
Yes, I love that. How's your morning so far, Claire?
Well, so far, so good po. Nakapag-breakfast na ako. I'm excited, I'm energetic po, and I'm optimistic.
Ay, nako, yan naman dapat lagi. Energetic and positive. Nako, growing up nga, what are your favorite things to do?
Recently po, since wala pong taping, I've been at home lang and I've been taking this time po to reflect, to recharge po, and to prepare for the next lock-in taping po ng Nagbabagang Luha.
Nako, Claire, what has inspired you to be an actress?
Well, growing up po, seeing my parents and my grandparents, kasi yun din po yung profession nila. My grandfather also started as an actor bago po siya naging news anchor, and my dad po also sa acting. So, growing up po, my dad would take me din to set. Kaya yung po siguro nag-push sa akin. It was either that po or fashion design.
Yes naman. Pero syempre, curious kami, do you recall the first time you've seen yourself on TV and how was it?
Honestly po, nag-cringe ako. Yung very first show ko, yung very first taping po, parang awkward for me nung nakita ko sa TV. And until now po, I still prefer not to watch myself on TV kasi hindi pa din po ako sanay. Maybe soon.
Nako, grabe ka. Eto na, pag-usapan na natin ang Nagbabagang Luha. Can you tell us about the role you'll be playing sa serye na ito?
Well, si Cielo Ignacio po ay isang pasaway na bata, and dahil po sa kanya, nagkagulo yung tahimik na buhay ng mga Ignacio. So yun po.
Of course, si Glyza is a very versatile actress who can effectively play both bida and kontrabida characters. What's the biggest lesson you've learned from your ate Glyza about playing a villain role?
Well, not really about po playing a villain role, but how to save my energy to do better and to give more in the next scenes. I learned po from her to use your break time to rest and to eat a lot of snacks and to drink a lot of water kasi dun po kukuha ng lakas para umiyak sa mga future iyakan scenes.
Yes, kailangan mag-hydrate, parang nagwo-workout, nauubos ang luha. Pero Claire ha, aside sa ginawa mong paghahanda sa role mo dito, I wanna ask, how would you prepare yourself on getting bashed because of the character you are portraying in this series?
Hindi pa po nag-start yung show, nababash na po ako para sa role ko. And hindi pa po ako sanay until now. I'm just human, I get hurt po. I'm still in the process of learning the art of deadma po. I hope one day, mamaster ko na siya.
Yes, hayaan mo lang ang mga Negatron, Claire. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Pasok dito, labas doon. Pero eto na,
Yes.
without giving too much away, tungkol saan ang kwento ng Nagbabagang Luha at bakit ito dapat panoorin ng ating mga kapuso.
Well, ang Nagbabagang Luha po at its core is about love and learning to differentiate po love from obsession. So yun po, besides po sa mga pasabog naming eksena, meron din po mga steamy love scenes at madami din pong lessons na matututunan sa show.
Grabe, nagbabaga nga talaga. Thank you very much, Claire, ha? Lastly, imbitahan mo na mga kapuso natin dito sa North Central Luzon na panoorin at subaybayan ang kwento ng Nagbabagang Luha. And of course, saan ka ba nila pwedeng i-follow?
Hello po sa mga kapuso natin sa North Central Luzon. Sana po ay abangan nyo ang Nagbabagang Luha dahil malapit din na po kami mapanood sa TV. And if you want to follow me po, you can follow me on Instagram at Claire Castro.
Have a great day, Claire, and stay safe!
Thank you! Thank you so much!
Diyan lamang po kayo mga kapuso, magbabalik ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.